All right, so we got some Norma Rival Subsonic 158, some Full Metal Jacket Supers. That's Subsonic. And we got the 165. We're gonna try that out. All right, so I got a 124 first. This is second, and this is third. So I felt more blowback on gas blowback on this one. So I just wanted to make sure that worked.
That's the new one?
Yeah, that's the new one.
Okay.
So I'm gonna load you up so you can feel the difference.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? Hearing it back here, that what's the name is quieter than that hush.
Yeah.
It's definitely quieter than that hush. And it said, oh yeah, you know, it said 838. So I don't know what the barrel length is, but hearing it back there, this is definitely quiet. So I'm gonna just do 3 rounds of this. Because I got another gun I want to do. Okay, I got some more of that. So I'm gonna do 3 supers, 3 of those subs. I don't know which one this one is, but it might say it on the back. Yeah, that's that. Okay, I'll just do 2. I'm gonna mix them up so you can hear them cycle through it. So I got them mixed up in there. And then we're gonna switch the can to the R45. So we're gonna switch cans real quick. That's the R9. Yeah, it's still quiet in that bigger can too. I'll definitely probably get more of this stuff right here. I think it might be cheaper than Hush. I'm gonna have to look it up and see. But yeah, I think it's quieter. And we're gonna put it on the chronograph and see. So I'm gonna do a couple rounds so I can hear it by the gun. We'll just do 4. Because I want to test it in some other models. Just a little bit of blowback, but I think that came from the supers. I don't think it came from them. And that was with the R45. That's the different size of the can. All right, 115. 115 got a lot of gas blowback. You can see all the sight.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.